What's up, YouTube? This is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and welcome to part 3 of my 3-part series on what a landing page is, how to create the perfect landing page, and why you need it for your business. So, without any further ado, you know the rules. Let's go. What's up, everyone? This is Sean with MarketingOnlineEnterprises.com, and if you are watching this video, you are in video number 3 of my tutorial on what a landing page is, how to create the perfect landing page, and why you need it for your business. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Just so you know, this channel talks all about making money online when it comes to building websites, obviously building landing pages, email marketing, affiliate marketing, all those different things, CPA marketing, building websites, and all the like when it comes to making money online in the internet space. So if that is your thing, if that's what you want to do, if that's what you want to learn, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you'll know the next time I drop new fire hot content ready for you to consume. All right. If you also want to know what my #1 recommended product is for making money online, be sure to hit that first button below in the description. All right. The first link in the description below. All right. So let's get into the money making content. Let's go. I am going to reduce myself and go into the screen share portion of my computer. Here we go. And we are back into the back office of WordPress and Marketing Online Enterprises. Like I said, I use Thrive themes for my website builder and my landing page builder. And if you recall, we're going to go over to where it says Pages, and we're going to find the page that we were working on. Report on how to lose 14 pounds in 2 weeks. We're going to go over here where it says view so we can take a look at it. Here it is right here. Get your free report on how to lose 8 to 14 pounds in 2 weeks. Here's our video that we embedded and the little text at the bottom. And here's the button right here that is going to take us to step 2 of our landing page. All right. So here we go. Let's go back into the dashboard, and let's go to where it says Thrive Light Boxes. Thrive Light Boxes is going to have my second portion of the landing page, and here we go. It says report on how to lose 14 pounds in 2 weeks. We are going to edit this with Thrive Architect. We hit that button and it's going to take us right here. Now this right here was past tense generic, and what I did to for sake of this video, I changed up the text in here. So I typed in "you're almost there." That's our progress bar right here that we use to create some scarcity, and then I adjusted the headline as well. So just put in your email contact and get your free report. All right, and then what we were able to do was put an image in for our report right here that we have as well, that the customer, or the visitor rather, will see in their email. So what happens is they type in their name and they type in their email. Once they type in their name and their email and they hit this button right here, it is going to take them directly, is actually going to give them that email sent directly to them. All right, an email is going to be sent directly to them, and we're going to be utilizing MailChimp as our email autoresponder. If we go over here up at the top where it says lists, I took the liberty of going to MailChimp. MailChimp is my autoresponder that I use to create email campaigns sent to my subscribers. And what we did was created a list. We created a list called the 2-week diet report list. Right now, no subscribers. We go over right here to the list, and we have this list created. All right, so it's ready to go. Now, the next step was to create a campaign for this list that we have. It's an automated campaign. So what's going to happen is this: when a subscriber first subscribes to the list, they are going to receive an email. Let's go ahead and click automated, and right here you go over to trigger, and this trigger can be set to immediately right here. So once that subscriber first subscribes to the list, they will be automatically sent this email right here. I created this email just shortly, and it says right here, your free report as promised. To get your free report, just go to the link below and it is yours. So all they have to do is click this free report right here, this hyperlink, and there's a thank you for it. Thank you for downloading your free report. Enjoy. And sent by me, Sean from Marketing Online Enterprises. Your free report is inside. Here's your free report as promised. All right, so they will receive this email right here. Now, if we go back to where it says Lightbox, the next thing that we were to do was to, like I said, set this up. Now let's go over here to where it says edit. Now, in this first page right here, we have our MailChimp that we've selected. We have the list that they're going to right here. The next piece is for them to be sure that their email is inside and their name is inside. This is all automatic because it's already done once they've inputted their email and their name from that previous lightbox there. You hit next, and what happens is they can be sent to any destination that you want them to go. We can redirect them to an offer like I have right here for ClickBank, or we can select this right here where it says shows success notification for the viewer to know, or the visitor to know that it's been delivered successfully, or they can just reload the page. I have opted to redirect that visitor directly to this offer on ClickBank, and what happens is once they hit that subscribe button, they're going to get that email sent to them with the free report, but the next page that they'll be sent to will be that offer from off of ClickBank that we just had. And folks, that is it. That is it for this 3 video series on what a landing page is, how to make the perfect landing page, and why you need it for your business. If this video series was good for you, if you found a lot of value in it, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I drop new fire hot content ready for you to consume. Thank you so much, and check out many of my other videos on our channel. Thank you again, and have a blessed day. Deuces.